So in this video, you'll learn how to create a custom sound effect for your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So if you want to create your own custom sound effect, like customizing the bass or the volume of your earbuds, then it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply launch the Soundcore app on your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. Then you want to ensure that the buds are connected with your device. Once they've been connected, just select the Aerofit 2. And then from here, in order for you to create your own custom sound effect, simply select the option Sound Effects and then select Custom EQ. Once you've selected it, you can now just go ahead and tap on it again, and you can now go through the process of customizing your own sound effect. So you can move the sliders up and down until you find the sound effect that you would prefer to use on your phone. You can create multiple sound effects, so you can tap on this plus option here, give the sound effect a name, and then tap on done, then go through the process of creating another sound effect. So just have fun customizing it to your liking. Then when you're happy, you can just go back and that will be the sound effect that you're using. So you can create as many sound effects as you want. And if you want to save them so that you can have them available if you ever connect to another Soundcore device, then all you need to do is just log in with your account and you can be able to save them to your account, thereby ensuring that you don't have to keep recreating them all over again. And so that's how you can create your own custom sound effect for your Aerofit 2 earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.